Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Doorbell with Google Home, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your Ring Doorbell with Google Home, start by ensuring your Ring Doorbell is installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. In the app, tap on the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the menu that appears. Then choose Works with Google. Scroll through the list to find and select Ring. You'll be prompted to log in to your Ring account. Enter your Ring account credentials to authorize the connection. Once logged in, authorize Google Home to access your Ring Doorbell. After successful authorization, you may see a list of Ring devices connected to your account. Select the Ring Doorbell you want to connect to Google Home. Tap Add to finalize the setup. Your Ring Doorbell is now connected to Google Home. You can test the connection by using voice commands with Google Assistant. Try saying, "Hey Google, show me my front door," to see the video feed from your Ring Doorbell. For notifications, ensure your Google Home has adjust any notification settings as needed for your preferences. Now, your Ring Doorbell integration with Google Home is complete. Enjoy monitoring your home with ease using voice commands and the Google Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.